Betrayal doesn't just break trust, it breaks a piece of you. That friend who ghosted you, the partner who lied, the family member who turned their back. When someone you trusted destroys that trust, it feels like you'll never risk opening up again. But what if I told you that trust isn't gone forever? It's just waiting to be rebuilt, stronger. Today, we're tackling one of the hardest parts of being human, learning to trust again after being betrayed. These 10 steps aren't about forgetting the pain, they're about reclaiming your power. Step 1. Stop saying, "It's fine." Betrayal hurts because it mattered. Write the story. Scream it into a pillow. Healing starts when you stop pretending it didn't break you. Step 2. Trust isn't all or nothing. You don't have to trust blindly. Start with trusting someone's actions, not their words. Small steps, not leaps. Step 3. Walls say, "No one gets in."
Right.
Boundaries say, "Here's what I deserve." Protect your peace without shutting out love. Step 4. Stop blaming yourself for trusting them. You weren't foolish, you were human. Forgive yourself for not seeing the red flags. Step 5. Don't punish new people for old mistakes. If someone reminds you of past pain, pause, but don't assume history will repeat. Step 6. Your intuition is a muscle. It weakens after betrayal. Rebuild it by noticing small truths. Did they show up on time? Did they apologize sincerely? Step 7. Replace "never again" with "maybe." Maybe you'll trust again. Maybe it'll be worth it. Maybe isn't weakness. It's hope with boundaries. Step 8. Did you share a small secret? Did you let someone help you? That's progress. Trust isn't built in grand gestures. It's built in tiny moments. Step 9. The person you were before the betrayal is gone, and that's okay. The new you is wiser, softer, and more resilient. Step 10. The most important trust is the one you rebuild with yourself. When you know you'll never abandon you, the world feels less scary. Trusting again isn't about giving others a second chance. It is about giving yourself a new beginning. You're not naive for hoping. You're brave. So take one tiny step today. And remember, every time you choose courage over fear, you win.